Vice President Jagdeep Dhankar resigned on Monday citing medical reasons. His resignation was submitted to President Draupadi Murmu and took effect immediately. So what happens next? Under Article 68(2) of the Constitution, an election to fill the vacancy must be held as soon as possible. Until then, his Rajya Sabha responsibilities will be carried out by the Deputy Chairman or a member authorized by the President.
While the Vice President is the Chairman of the Rajya Sabha, the functions are also performed by the Deputy Chairman. So, when there is no Vice President, the Deputy Chairman can take over. Under Article 68 of the Constitution, the elections to the post after resignation have to be held as soon as possible. So it is for the Election Commission to now notify the election and hold it as soon as possible.
The Vice President of India is elected by an electoral college consisting of all members of Parliament from both the Lok Sabha and the Rajya Sabha, including nominated members. MPs cast their votes by ranking the candidates in order of preference. If no candidate secures a majority in the first round, votes are reallocated based on second preferences, continuing until one candidate crosses the halfway mark. The entire process is conducted through a secret ballot.
अगर किसी परिस्थिति में वाइस प्रेसिडेंट की या चेयरपर्सन ऑफ द राज्यसभा की पोस्ट खाली होती है तो उस परिस्थिति में जो डेप्यूटी चेयरपर्सन है, डेप्यूटी चेयरपर्सन राज्यसभा के चेयरपर्सन के वर्क को परफॉर्म करते हैं। तो 60 दिन के अंदर जो रूल्स है उसके मुताबिक 60 दिन के अंदर सीक्रेट वोट से दोनों हाउसेस के जो मेंबर ऑफ पार्लियामेंट हैं, तो लोकसभा और राज्यसभा के, वो वोटिंग करते हैं। उसके बाद वाइस प्रेसिडेंट का इलेक्शन होता है। यानी जो एक्टिविटीज हैं या जो कार्य हैं उसके संपादन के लिए डेप्यूटी चेयरपर्सन को अपॉइंट किया जाता है, नामित किया जाता है और 60 दिन के अंदर इलेक्शन करवाना कंपलसरी होता है।
To contest the election for the office of Vice President of India, a candidate must be an Indian citizen, at least 35 years of age and qualified to be a member of the Rajya Sabha. Additionally, the candidate must not hold any office of profit under the central or state governments or any local authority. Once elected, the Vice President serves a full 5-year term from the date they assume office, regardless of when the vacancy arose.